Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. Today we are going to see more into access control list, access control rules. In our previous video, we have seen about roles and rules as well, and we are going in depth. Some 2 to 3 rules we are going to explore today as well. So we'll look into it. For the playing zone incident table we have raised in our previous video, right? I think you remember it. And one more thing I want to show you, that is if we are going to the user administration. In the user administration, if I go to users and search for Annabelle, if I search for Annabelle doll, then I have provided playing zone incident or the playing zone application role to Annabelle. And if we are going to impersonate Annabelle, then the Annabelle can able to access playing zone application, right? But if we are going to impersonate any other user, then they are not going to see playing zone application, because this application is not a global application. This is a scoped application. We come into Annabelle doll personal developer instance by impersonating her. So then we will trying to search for a playing zone incident table and we find it out, right? But now if from the Annabelle I want to impersonate another user, so also I can impersonate it. When I just click impersonate another user, see, I'm clicking on the impersonate another user, but Annabelle is not able to impersonate to another user. Why? Because the main role of impersonation is not given to Annabelle. So Annabelle is not able to access impersonator role, and she is not able to impersonate another user. So what we have to do, first we have to end the impersonation, then again, so then again I'll go to user administration, and into the user role I'll just click on it, and into the user role when I click on the Annabelle, then in the role you can click on edit. When you click on edit, then impersonator role you have to provide to Annabelle, so she can also impersonate to another user. Then I edit it and choose the impersonator role. So impersonator, right? So when I just choose an impersonator role, then automatically, like I'm not automatically, sorry, I'm giving impersonator role to Annabelle. Okay, so I'm clicking on save, and when I'm clicking it, so now we have added the impersonator role, and now it's time to check. I'll click on update, and then I will impersonate the user Annabelle doll. I'll click on the impersonate user, and from admin to Annabelle, it's impersonating. Yes, so it has been impersonated. You can see it's an Annabelle doll, and if I just click on impersonate another user, then this functionality is greatly working. If I impersonate Scooby and click on impersonate user, then the Scooby can be impersonated from Annabelle. So when I just end the impersonation, then it ended and back to the system administrator. Next access control rule, what we are going to see is, for example, in the playing zone incident table, there are two field values are available. Two columns are there requested for an age. So if I want to make the age field only editable from admin, like only editable to admin, and all other members who does not have the ITIL admin role does not allow basically edit age field, then I have to make the rule, right? So to make the rule, what I will do, I will go to the user administration and I will click on role. And in the new, I will click on new and playing zone edit age. This is my role name and I will click on submit. So then in the users, I go to enable. I go to enable and enable doesn't contain a admin rule. She also doesn't contain the ITIL rule and she also doesn't contain the ITIL admin rule. So if enable doesn't contain the ITIL admin rule, then I only edit. Yes, I'd only add the rule which we have created right now, playing playing zone run filter, that is the playing zone edit age. I will add it and I'll click on save. And our next step is to make a rule, because without the role won't work. I'll click on access control and after clicking on it, I will click on new to make a new access control rule. When I just click on it and record, create, and name is a name like which application I want to add the name, that is playing incident, and to whom age, right, instead of admin. For all other users, age factor would be only read only. So what I will do, I will make it as a okay, create to only admin, right? And this is the application, this is the field name, and to create to whom admin, right? And I'll click on it and click on submit. Continue. Then if you impersonate it to impersonate Annabelle doll, then you can see when you click on playing zone incident table and click on new. So as you can see, the age field is read only. Why? Because Annabelle doll doesn't contain admin role, right? And when I end impersonation, so the system administrator has a right in playing zone application to create or to edit age field. Playing zone incident table, and I'll click on new and see system administrator has a right to basically edit the age field and submit the record. So I hope these two examples and one to two examples which we have studied in our previous video gives you a very clear understanding about access control list. So this is all with the access control list. Access control list is also contain a scripting part. We will learn scripting part in our development series. in the administration, you have to make sure that the role won't work before a rule. So first you have to make the role, then assign the role to the user, and then definitely you have to make the rule, that is access control rule, you have to make it, then only role will work. So stay tuned with me and hit the like button, subscribe my channel. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.